Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Dodge Grand Caravan. First, gather all necessary supplies like a new oil filter, the correct type of engine oil, a drain pan, and wrenches. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface for safety and proper drainage. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process smooth and efficient, saving you time and effort. Now let's get that old oil out. Find the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, letting the old oil flow out completely. This usually takes several minutes. Once drained, replace the plug, making sure it's snug but not overly tight to prevent leaks. With the old oil drained, it's time for a fresh filter. Locate and remove the old filter with your wrench. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it about an additional 1/4 turn. Double check that the old gasket isn't still on the engine. Finally, let's add the new oil. Find the oil fill cap, usually on top of the engine, and remove it. Carefully pour in the recommended amount of fresh engine oil. After a few minutes, check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Start your engine briefly to circulate the oil, then shut it off and check for any leaks around the drain plug or filter. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.